So guys, tapos na. And, eto na yung now. Let's try it. Wow! Perfect na perfect siya. Try ko siya guys with the sauce. Ayan yung sauce. Okay. I open it. Take out the plastic. And the pepper. Open. Sesame. Wow! Look guys. Ang sarap. Try. With the dipping sauce. With the sauce. Yan. Of course, kailangan ng sauce para masarap. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Perfect. Perfect na perfect talaga. Ang sarap guys. Ano? Full loaded. Full loaded siya. Diba? At ang sarap ng sauce. Promise. Yung sauce niya ang the best. Thank you so much for watching. Please try my recipe. Thank you. Bye-bye.